Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken on a Hitbox. A Hitbox controller fundamentally changes how you interact with the game, replacing the traditional joystick with an array of buttons for all your directional inputs. This design allows for incredibly precise and clean commands, especially with its built-in simultaneous, opposite cardinal directions cleaning. Many players find this layout enhances their execution speed and accuracy, particularly for complex Tekken techniques. Your thumb will usually handle the jump button, located centrally at the bottom. Mastering movement on a hitbox opens up new possibilities in Tekken. Techniques like Korean backdashing, which are vital for spacing, become more consistent by simply alternating your back and down back buttons. Wave dashing, another essential movement, is performed with a quick sequence of forward, down, and down-forward inputs. Furthermore, executing instant while standing moves feels much more natural and precise. Dedicate time to practicing these fundamental movements. It is key to developing the muscle memory needed for high-level play. For advanced techniques, the hitbox truly shines. Inputs like the electric wind god fist, a cornerstone of many character arsenals, can achieve higher consistency due to the direct button presses. Quarter circle and half circle motions are executed by smoothly rolling your fingers across the directional buttons, offering a different tactile experience. Many players report improved precision for just frame inputs, which are critical for maximizing damage. Remember to experiment with your finger placement. Finding what feels most natural will significantly boost your performance. Adapting to a hitbox controller requires patience and consistent practice. I recommend dedicating at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to focus training. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, concentrate on mastering one or two new techniques before moving on. The game's training mode is your best friend here. Use it extensively to drill your inputs and build muscle memory. Remember, the transition can take several weeks, but with persistent effort, you will unlock the full potential of playing Tekken on a hitbox.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.